Well, go on, guys. I don't know. Rush from Rush's Kitchen. We're there, you know. We're there with our next wicked episode. And today, we'll be doing peanut butter. I know enough of you never said that though before. So, you know, once they say once it's nice, you gotta do it twice. So I have here with me my co-host, my lovely co-host, my lovely guest, Trudy. What's up?
Hey Rushie, I'm good.
So, well, go on. You excited for this video right now?
I am excited. I've never thought about peanut butter being done in my kitchen before. I always think of just buying it at the supermarket. So I'm interested to see how you prepare peanut butter today.
Well, we brought the supermarket right here in Rushie's Kitchen, in your living room, in your bedroom. So just sit back, enjoy, and watch what we have for offer today. So, you excited for help me taste, try out everything what we have here on display? All right.
I am more of the taster still.
All right, cool. All right, so what we have right here in front of us this evening are all the ingredients that you see. Nothing more, nothing less. So what we have right here is our peanut.
Star of the show.
Star of the show again. And let me tell you a little bit about the peanut now. So dried peanuts. What I do is to get the Sunshine Snacks packed peanut, right? So I'm gonna be using 2 packs in this one. But before,
does it have to be Sunshine Snacks? That's salted nuts?
No, because they have other brands on the market as well. Or you can even go to the market and get the raw nuts. The raw nuts is good. They have no salt on them. They're just a little bit more expensive, but nonetheless, you can get them. If you can reach up there, then no problem. But if you are going to buy this in the supermarket, then look at it. You're paying at least say $200 and maybe $60. Whereas in the market, for this amount or more, you would maybe pay maybe $400, $500. So you see you're getting buck or value for your money.
For your buck.
Yes, exactly.
Can I use other nuts or just peanut butter?
Peanut, because a peanut butter we make today.
Okay. But if I want to make almond butter, I can use the same method and
cashew nut as well.
Okay.
But it's just that peanut, you don't know, peanut is the taste that come out of peanut is more richer than those. So you get a more tasty and nut
and it's
butter
more
from
common.
this. Yeah, man. All right. So to go with that now, we have a sugar right here. So, all right. See it?
Little bit of sugar.
No, yes. Because we don't want to make it too over sweet. So you just want to make it, you know, just a tip sweet so you can enjoy it. And we have a salt right here, so we not use all of the salt still. And even though, and next thing, even though the nuts have on salt on them, the reason why I will wash them before is because I can control the amount of salt that is on them right now. So what I do is to wash off the salt, get them fresh, right? And then if I need to add any salt in the end product, then we always have a salt right here. So, and this we can control, all right? The salt that is on this right now, I cannot control that. So that is why I really wash them. And after the washing process, normally we would roast them to get them nice and crispy. And one reason for roasting as well, when you roast nuts, whether cashew or peanuts, any nuts at all, it tends to bring out the flavors more.
Oh.
Right?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, man, it tends to get it, and it make it more crispy as well. So you want a little crispiness, so when you actually...
It adds a little smokiness to the peanut butter.
A lot of flavor as well.
Okay.
All right. We have right here, we have vegetable oil, right? And we have baby bullet. You hear my sound out?
Hold on. That's all you need to make peanut butter?
That's all I need. You don't need nothing more, as I say, nothing less. It's just
salt,
as simple as that. Just salt, sugar, and oil.
Wow.
Yeah, man. So, you don't know. This as well, food processor is great to use because when you're blending this puts a lot of pressure on the motor. So, you know, ideally a food processor with a much stronger motor would be very good.
Ideal for blending the nuts?
Yes.
Okay.
But this is what we have. This is what we're working with, and this works just fine. So I we are gonna use.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
man.
excited.
Cool, man. Me excited to make can't wait because a lot of persons don't know the first step and didn't even know that they could make their own peanut butter in their kitchen. So I gotta show you. So come with me, man. Now, so we have already one pack in your bowl already. So I'm gonna add one more. So easy does it. We add one more, right? See? Nice and lovely. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just give this a simple wash and then we put this to roast for maybe about 5 minutes or so on medium to low to medium heat. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is just use my strainer, turn the water on, and that should take care of all of the salt. See? Simple process. Simple, simple, simple. Great. So we finish wash and we have a peanut right here. So what we're gonna do now, I add my preheated pot. So I'm gonna add it to the pot and go on and roast it. Scrape it out nice. And as I say, the pot pre-hot already, so you prevent any sticking to the pot. You want to maintain this general motion until the nuts are completely dry and you get them to a nice dark brown color and they're crispy. So you maintain this general motion. See that? Smelling nice as well. Guys, look what we have here. We have our roasted peanut and it cool off a bit, so we're gonna go ahead and blend it in our magic bullet. Go ahead now and add small amount, then we go for the kill, as what them call it. So add half of that. Give it a blend. And then we can add the rest to it afterwards. So what we have here is the peanut already turning powdery, and that is a good sign. That is what we actually want.
Does it have to be like completely crushed?
Well, eventually while blending you will actually get that. So what we will do now is go ahead and add the rest of the peanut that I have left in the bowl. Give it another round of blending. Also important to note that while you're pulsing or blending, you normally keep a general motion of stirring, so to keep everything well stirred and well mixed. So this is coming along nicely. And as I pointed out earlier, if you have a food processor, that would be the perfect machine to use for this, because it's more powerful and it's actually built for stuff such as this. So with this, as I said before, you keep a general motion of stirring like this to get it even. Another thing with peanut butter, or peanuts in general, while blending, the natural oils in the peanut, you'll start to see them as it gets smoother and smoother. So that will help with the lubrication of the peanut, and that will help.
That contributes to like the creaminess.
Yes, because the peanut has a lot of oil itself. Plus we're gonna add this oil to it as well, so we'll get it even more moist and creamy. So if we help it further, if we blend out more and get it more creamy, we're gonna add the oil now. So when I use all of the oil, we just use a small amount. So that's good right there. So we'll add a pinch of salt. And we'll go for the sugar. Small amount, again, as I said. And give this another round of blending. So truly, as I say, it come alive now.
I'm seeing from over here that it's coming alive.
Cooler man. And we can even show it up on camera, you see it? Nice. Nice. So, and I think I said so about 1,000 times, but you don't know a thing set already. We'll give it another round of blending again. And we can see that since oil,
it's becoming more creamy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is what the vegetable oil does.
I cannot believe that this is all it takes to make peanut butter.
Let me tell you a simple process. Simple process. And it's gonna shock a lot of persons. And you wanna keep on blending until you reach a creamy texture.
Yeah. Or until everything is completely blended, you would say?
Yeah, man. And you will see it as well, because you will know when it's creamy and you're no longer seeing any grains or stuff.
So it's to your liking then?
Yeah, man. If you like it
with
creamy, well creamy, yeah. If you would need it, like it with a little crunch night, then so be it. Thing a come alive. I don't know, we have to taste it again for make sure say it's actually what we want. Trudy, give me 2 crackers and a slice of bread. Already thing ready now. So
I think this is better for you to make at home rather than get it in a supermarket.
Because it has less preservative and less additives. The ones that you get on the shelf in the supermarket has lots more additives to it. So
and
this is
just original. Like,
this is original. This is just original homemade. You're making in your kitchen. And as I say, 3 ingredients and you're gonna lead. Great. Go ahead again and do another round of stirring to get it evenly distributed. Cheese! See it, people. This is the final product. We have it right here, so nice creamy peanut butter. Look there.
Wow, that's so creamy.
If you get any creamy, it spoil. That me I tell you. So here what, if you want to do it in your kitchen, this is no problem. Just follow my instruction. Follow every ingredient that I use. If you want, you can add honey as well. That is a boost. But I didn't add it this evening. I'm use my oil, vegetable oil that is. You can use coconut oil if you choose. Salt, sugar. That's it. As simple as that. Blend out a thing fine and you have it just the way you would like it and you would enjoy it out of the one that you buy at the supermarket. We have it right here, man. Rushie's Kitchen, fully loaded, fully locked. We're going to have this with piece of bread now and close out the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and everything we see on the channel, try them and tell me what you think in the comment section. We love you now. Rushie's Kitchen, Big Bad Kitchen. See it there.